Hey, what's up guys, it's TJ here, and today we're going to be talking about overhead microphones, boom microphones, shotgun microphones, or just microphones for video and how to get good audio, just in general. Today we're going to talk about the CO2, the Samsung CO2, which I just decided to buy not too long ago because I wanted a microphone setup here, something that I'll be comfortable using for my YouTube videos and maybe other projects as well. So I decided to try this out. At $100, this is not a bad buy at all. You get good quality audio, and you also are able to save a little bit on your change there. So just taking a look at the Samsung CO2 is well built. It feels nice and solid. That is metal. I don't know if you can hear that at all. It seems to have a pretty good build quality, like compared to microphones that I've seen in the past, microphones that I've used in the past. It seems to be up to par with some of the more expensive microphones that I've played with. It comes with this shock mount, which is pretty decent. I mean, I've seen better shock mounts, but it does the job. So basically the shock mount is to kind of prevent any noise from wiggling. So if you were to hold this on a long boom and try to get some audio and your hand just jiggles a little bit, this little shock here helps from handling noise that you may get from that. I'm not an expert in audio, and I've been dabbling around with audio for a little bit, just trying to figure out what I can use to get some decent sounding audio. Right now I'm recording through the Samsung CO2, and this connects via an XLR cord that goes directly into my Zoom H6, and I have it recording right here below me. So I record my audio separately and then I sync it in post. This is what the onboard audio sounds like. I'm using the Rode video mic right now, and what we'll do is we'll unplug that, and this is what the sound sounds like directly from the camera. So you can hear the difference. This is the sound from the camera. This is the sound from the Rode video mic that's about 3 feet away from me, and this is the sound from the Samsung CO2. Now there's a difference between shotgun microphones and super cardio microphones. It's basically the pickup pattern. Shotgun microphones can have a tighter pickup pattern and basically reject anything behind it. This has a little bit of pickup from behind it and also has a wider pickup pattern. So you can actually see what the pickup pattern is on the microphone. It actually shows you with a little icon or little illustration there. So it shows you what the type of pickup pattern it has. But how do you know like what microphone to use in what situation? Right now I'm using an overhead microphone, which is basically a microphone that's right above me, and it's like right outside of the frame. Some people use lav microphones that you can just clip right here onto your vest or your shirt, or even tape to your chest underneath your shirt, and those are nice as well. I always seem to have a problem with those, like motion, or like my shirt will rub up against it and you get like a weird sound, and there's things that you can use to fix that, and it could be positioning and things that I'm doing wrong. I'm just not a professional at audio right now, so I feel like for me the overhead gives me a better sound. I don't have to worry about anything as long as I put it at the right distance and point it at the subject like I want to. And the overhead or boom mic also just sounds better than just putting the shotgun microphone on the camera, because that microphone has to be a little ways away from you, and this can be a lot closer and get a better, crisper sound. It doesn't pick up a lot of noise outside of me. So I think this might be the perfect microphone for your YouTube setup, especially if you don't want to spend a lot of money on an expensive microphone. Maybe you just have a field recorder, like a quick handy recorder like I do, like the Zoom H6 or the Zoom H5 or something like that, and you want to get some good audio but you don't want to spend a lot of money. I think this might be the perfect microphone for your YouTube setup. Also, I've been recording with the CO2 this entire video, so if you like the sound from this video, this is what the CO2 sounds like. I believe it sounds pretty good. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you guys have any questions about audio, or if you'd like me to talk a little bit more about audio, maybe we'll go in depth about audio and just how to capture audio, maybe how to even edit audio in post. Let's talk about that. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.